Hello everyone and welcome to Hanoi. If you're visiting Hanoi in the future and you wonder what to do in Hanoi in the spare time, in this video I'm going to show you a highlight destination inside Hanoi quarter. It is Hanoi Train Street, which becomes very famous recently in a lot of guidebooks and highly recommended as one of a must-see and a must-do activity when you are in Hanoi. And in this video, I'm going to show you every corner of Train Street. So let's follow my YouTube channel to see what you want to see about this place. The place where I'm going to start today is from Duẩn Street. You can see, you can say this is the end of the street or the beginning of this train street. It is up to you. Okay, yeah. So let's walk around to see this new tourist destination with my YouTube channel. What can you do at Train Street? Here, you can drink coffee, definitely. You can take any table nearby the railway and take a very nice table where has the best view to take a sip of coffee. Besides that, you can drink a beer. Okay, you can drink beer and you also can order some snacks as well. Here they are selling food as well for those who don't know about this place. Some snacks they serve you maybe spring roll fries, spring roll or French fried, and some smoothie as well. They also serve you. And do you know here they serve you craft beer as well? There are a lot of cafes which have very nice views to the railway, and it's very interesting for you guys to take a table nearby the railway, drinking coffee, drinking some types of drinks, watching train passing by in front of you around 20 meters. But be careful because it's really dangerous. It's really dangerous. So my experience is taking the table on the second floor for the best view, for the best view, and is less dangerous than the table on the first floor. There are a lot of train streets, cafe in Hanoi, but the most famous train street, it is located in the conjunction of Trần Phú Street and Lý Nam Đế Street and Phùng Hưng Street, and it is exactly the area where we are watching. And below this video I also leave the timetable of the train passing by here as well. Please find more information in the for timetable of the train in the description of this video as well.
自己逛一逛啊，15分，对，15分回到那里，我在那里等你们。
Train still passing by this area, so whenever the train pass by this area around 5 to 10 minutes before, the officer will put the barrier here to stop people stay away from the railway, yeah, to keep safety for the train passing by. Because it is now very famous, so a lot of tour company put this destination in their itinerary and one of a mercy activity in the tour itinerary as well. So in a lot of videos in my channel, I already told tourists that this train street was established around 2 to 3 years before COVID-19, but it just became famous like around 2 years before COVID-19. And at that time there was a lady who set up her family to sell coffee here, and soon they became very famous, and it attracted a lot of tourists coming here to drink coffee, watching train passing by. So a lot of them are TikTokers or YouTubers. So they try to post some photos on Instagram and post a lot of videos about Train Street, so it became very famous. So we keep opening a lot of branches. They keep opening different cafes, and later, a lot of her neighbors also opened a lot of cafes, so it became famous like it is today. This side is the first area where they open first, and behind my screen is the second area where they opened after this area. Here you guys can buy some souvenirs as well. You can book tour as well. There's a office here. There's an office here, travel office. By the way, we are running a travel company in Hanoi. So I also leave in the description, our website for you guys to book the tour. We organize every tour in Hanoi, and we are the travel agency for a lot of tour companies. It means for any tour services or travel services, please don't hesitate to contact us. And the phone number is available in our website. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching my videos, and please drop by my YouTube channel for more videos about Vietnam. Here's the end of Hanoi Train Street already. See you in the next videos.